Can I see?
Okay, this is Dylan's island of Sodor. And as you can see, start with Tidmouth Sheds. Looks like we've got Thomas.
Can I see?
And Mighty Mac. And then Toby's Windmill. There's Victor going. Victor is coupling up with Toby. Here's Freddy, all of these guys. And that's a lot of trains there. And there's Cranky.
Can I see?
Bridge.
Can I see? Are you really not
Suspension
Molly?
bridge.
Are you really not? Are you?
There's Molly. There's that coming in Netford Station. It's Murdoch pulling a New Jersey Transit train. And there he goes. And look at this line of freight cars.
Can I see?
Spencer's pulling those.
And
This and Hero. And there's Dylan. Say hi, Dylan.
hi.
Can you show me some of your trains and what their names are?
Hero.
Okay, leave them on the tracks and just show me. Who's that?
Hero.
Hero. And who's in front of Hero?
Donald.
Donald. Okay. And then there's the Misty Island crew. Ferdinand, Bash, and Dash. Duke, there's James pulling a bunch of different freight cars through the tunnel. Alright, so Topham Hatt's waiting his turn. And then you come across over the rumbling bridge. And what do we have over here?
What?
There's Hank. Hank is pulling the A train and the 4 subway train. He's strong. Right, and there's James.
Pussy Hank.
And James is pushing Hank. And there's more tracks back here.
We're doing our own bill.
That's awesome. I came to see it.
And what about this?
That's what it looks like.
What about this? What about Emily? What about these guys? What about these guys? This is a long train.
Now, Dylan, can you tell me who is on that train?
What?
Who's pulling that train?
Hank?
Looks like there was a crash
Looks like.
on the rumbling bridge.
Whoa.
As you can see, sometimes it gets a little congested.
There's looking like there's a crash.
Mm-hmm.
And it looks like there's Spencer's going past. Can I see? Can I see? Can I see?